Good day, everyone. Today, I am going to answer the question that our instructor in ethics gave us today. The question goes like this: what is your stand on ethics, and how important is ethics for you as a student? My personal stand on ethics is that it helps me know what is right and wrong, even when no one is watching. Ethics guides my actions and reminds me to do what is right in any situation. It helps me think about how my choices can affect others, not just myself. Ethics is also like a personal compass that helps me decide how to behave in different situations. It also reflects the kind of person you want to become. Ethics is important in my daily life as a student because it shapes my attitude and behavior in school. Like sa pakig-socialize sa imong mga classmates, sa imong mga friends sa eskwelahan, di mo makita kung unsa ka nga pagkatao. So, being ethical means being honest, not cheating, and doing your own work. It also means respecting my teachers, your friends, and the school rules. When I follow ethics, I learn to be responsible and trustworthy. However, there are times when ethics is hard to apply. For example, when an exam is very difficult and you see your classmates cheating, it can be tempting to do the same just to pass. There are also times when copying homework seems easier, especially when deadlines are close. Another example is what is happening in our economy right now, our situation. For our economy right now, inflation, ang mga palitunon kay nagkasaka pirmi. Pero you choose to fight fairly gihapon. Without ethics, ikaw nga nagalisod is you will find ways, mga easy ways to survive. Maunang uban, mangawat, pero ikaw you know what is right and wrong, maunang mo fight gihapon ka fairly. Another way ethics shows in my student life is how I treat people. Sometimes I may feel angry, stressed, or pressured, which make me want to speak harshly or ignore others. Ethics reminds me to be respectful, patient, and understanding, even when I am not in a good mood. Simple actions like listening to classmates, respecting different opinions, and helping others when I can are small but important ways of practicing ethics every day. Another situation where ethics is important is in managing my time and responsibilities. There are times when I want to procrastinate and skip tasks or make excuses instead of doing my duties as a student. Ethics reminds me to be accountable and to take responsibility for my actions. By managing my time properly and meeting deadlines honestly, I show respect for my teachers, my classmates, and most importantly, myself. Overall, in conclusion, ethics helps me become a better person. It teaches me how to make good choices, even when it is hard and even when no one is watching, and helps me prepare for the future as a student and as a member of the society. By practicing ethics every day, I slowly build good habits and strong values. These values will guide me not only in school but also in the future career and my personal life. In the long run, choosing what is right helps me gain trust and confidence in myself. And that's all. I hope nga namoy nakuha nga lesson bahala gamay lang. Thank you for watching.